Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Boy, I woke up feeling like, you know what I mean. So I had delayed the filming of the prime rib, prep and preparation one more day. So I'm doing another simple meal tonight, but let's talk about last night's simple meal. That was a super simple meal. I really hope you folks believe this. It was a dump and run. The only thing that actually had a knife put to it was slicing up a half of an onion, which was already halved. So that was a super simple meal. It cooked up real quick. Trust me, when I'm the very little time after the little bit of time I spent in the kitchen, I go back to bed. Okay. Except for the little bit of time I need to edit and put the video on. That takes no time at all. But I am taking care of myself, plenty of fluids, and some Motrin to keep the fever at bay, which I really haven't had in the last 24 hours. So I think we're getting there. So tonight I am doing Mongolian ground beef noodles. Let's get to it. As you see, a couple things are prepped. The noodles are going to be linguine, a little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper. I'm adding mushrooms to this. Here, the ground beef, I'm using an 80-20. This is a whole onion, but I have a half onion in the refrigerator, which I'll be slicing up for this because that's also being added. There's a sauce in this. So the sauce is low sodium soy sauce, hoisin sauce. I'm using a little bit of shiraka instead of the red pepper flakes that the recipe calls for. Some cornstarch for some thickener. Some garlic actually will be sauteed up with the ground beef. Some brown sugar. And some ground ginger. There's the recipe. So today, another easy one. The only thing I'm cutting again is the onion. As you can imagine, that is super simple for me. It's super quick, and everything will be hunky-dory. My goal is to do the prime rib tomorrow, which, as you know, I picked up yesterday from Noodles Butcher Shop in Marysville, California. A reminder, if you're going to order from Noodles, and December 15th, which is this Friday, by the end of business day, to order your prime rib. I would highly recommend, if you're going to be ordering prime rib, a ham, or any other expensive and or highly sought after meats, check with your butcher and your grocery store for deadlines. Just helpful hint. So with that, have a great day, stay away from the flu, and eat great food and have fun cooking.